Yes, please proceed.
Like most people, I strongly supported the original intent of the bill, and that was to help
The
military families. A couple of concerns. My family is very involved in the construction industry, and so is my community. $10 million can go a very long way in repairing our vacant properties that the state does own that needs repair in our public housing. But this is only going to really, in our market, $10 million is only going to help maybe 20 homes. But $10 million to repair existing vacant public housing units could help hundreds of them if we do what many of what they're trying to do right now, which include volunteers and public-private partnerships. So who are we really helping, and how many people are we really helping? And that's my reservation. We're not really maximizing our thought process here. And we're not thinking smart. In this economy, we need to think, how can we make this taxpayer dollar stretch as far as we can? And so that's really my reservation, is that I really don't think this is a solution. It's kind of scary. When you talk about taking over people's properties, I don't even know if that's a good thing for us to get involved in. Because who gets to determine when we possess your home, like how a bank does? We're going to start doing that? So I really hope that by the end of this session that this bill will be restored to its original glory. We can all agree that we believe that we should do everything we can to actually go after those institutions that are trying to hurt our military families.
Thank you very much. Representative Riviere,
In opposition.
please proceed in opposition.
Thank you. The first part is great. It's fine. The bill is fine. The second part got hooked on like a great idea. I mean, the road to hell is paved with good intentions, but there's a couple of important facts. Facts are immovable. You can't change them. We can't pass a law that make the sun rise in the west so that the people in Lanikai can have sunsets. That's not going to happen. You can't pass a law to cause things that are not possible. The Attorney General in Finance Committee testified that this bill calls on HHFDC to issue the full faith and credit of the state of Hawaii in condemning these mortgages. And he noted that they have no such authority to be putting the full faith and credit of the state of Hawaii out in this program. So that's question number one, fact. Within a couple of days of the hearing, everybody on Finance Committee got this letter. It says, in response to some questions from the hearing, number one, can the state use section 101-71 of HRS to condemn mortgage loans from lenders who decline to have their contract bought out? Answer, no. Question two, have any other states enacted similar measures, and is there any federal or state case law addressing this issue? No. Okay. Question number three. Now, folks, I mean, we have a lot of great ideas. This is the marketplace of ideas, as has been said so many times. But you got to be in reality. Last year, we created a mortgage foreclosure mediation process. We applied $2 million. We created a new agency. We got 26 mediators standing by. 0 people have entered this. You have to deal in reality, folks. So lastly, there was questioning at the hearing, what happens to the shortage? If the mortgage value, if the loan balance is $400,000, and we magically, with an authority that doesn't exist, seize that mortgage at $300,000, the question then happens, what happens to the other $100,000? Well, the lender is entitled by federal tax law to issue a 1099 statement to the recipient of this gift. That then becomes taxable income. So the questions, which were really well asked, was, well, who's going to pay the income tax on that forgiveness on the project that we can't do because it's not legally and physically possible? So, folks, this part two, as much as everybody's heart is there for the homeowners, is impossible. So please restore it to helping the military folks who need the help. Thank you.
Thank you very much.